Hello, my name is Gilandenga. So today I'll look through my project, my Smart Task Manager project. So allow me to okay to my README file. So this is my README file. So my task manager app is a modern task manager web application built with next.js, supabase, and tailwind CSS, which allows users to add, view, update, and delete tasks in a clean and responsive interface. The MVP. So the goal of this project is to provide users with a lightweight tool to organize daily tasks efficiently while showcasing full stack integration using the modern web technologies. So the functionality, it has the create apps, the view tasks, then update task status, then you have the delete. So how it works, the front end is built with Next.js and handles user interaction. The backend is powered by Supabase, which stores and manages the task data. And when a user performs an action, e.g. the add, update, and delete the app, it sends a request to Supabase, updates the database, it refreshes the UI to reflect the changes. So why the MVP matters? It demonstrates the full code operations, the create, read, and update, delete functions, integration between front-end and back-end, the real-time data handling, and responsive UI design. It serves as a foundation that can be expanded with features like user authentication, task filtering, and categories. So we have my I deployed using the Vercel. There goes my link. Then I'll having a demo video. The G8 repository is there. Yeah. So the tech stack, the front end, I use the Next.js. Okay, and the database stock backend, I use the Supabase. Styling is Tailwind CSS. Then we have the deployment, I used Vercel. If you wish to clone my report, sorry, you have the the clone commands there. Okay, my project structure, I have the history. So the main folder is the task manager. So we have a subfolder for amp, which has the home page, the TS, the TypeScript. I mean the React. Then you have the task subfolder, which has the layout. Then you have the lib, which stores the spot-based commands line. And then you have the env for storing the API keys, the secret keys. Yeah. So let me talk you through my. So when you run the project by the npm install function, you have the npm run dev. It will connect you to the local host link, which is this one. So when you run the website in localhost, we have it here. Yeah. So for example, I want to add, let's say, week, let's say week 6 completion. When I click enter add, see it has been added to my tasks. When I view it at my database, the Supabase, it has been written by my Supabase. Yeah. So when I view it in my database, it's already there under the columns. So the columns I created was the text, which is in text format. Then you have the completed, which is in the boolean format. So let it load. So you see, my week 6 completion has been added to the database, right? So when I come back localhost, then I decide to mark it done like that. Then I delete it. It'll be off my database. So that's from localhost. From deployment, I deployed using the Vercel. So yeah, so this Vercel. On opening the link, I have something like this. So let me add something. Let's say task manager. the task has been added. Coming back to my database, okay, let us refresh it. Yeah. So coming back to the database, you see it has been the one that I added and deleted from the local host, it has been deleted successfully. And also that the one that I've been added from the deployed link, the task manager, it's here. So when I decide to delete it, let's mark it done, delete it. Coming back to my database, uh, huh, refreshing it. It is, it has also been deleted successfully. So that's an example. That's how my web application was done successfully. Um, only left to improve the UI and add some features on the page to increase the interactivity between the user and the web. So after that's my project, my web application project. See you in the next video.